शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपले स्वागत। सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व एन पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ।
Hello students, our topic is Science and Technology, Part 2nd, Standard 9th. Myself, Assistant Teacher Sugandha Fangal at K.A. Bantiya Madhyamik Vidyalaya, New Panvel. Today we will going to discuss about chapter Energy Flow in an Ecosystem. In this chapter, we will learning the points how energy flow in an ecosystem. Definition of the ecosystem, biotic factors, symbiotic factors and their interactions with one another together form an ecosystem. Ecosystem is mainly made up of two components, abiotic components and biotic component. Abiotic component is called a living thing, non-living thing. Biotic component is called a living thing. Abiotic components is divided into two parts, physical factor, for example air, soil, sunlight. Chemical factor, it is further divided into two types. First one is inorganic, for example hydrogen, oxygen, calcium. Organic, for example proteins, fats, carbohydrates. Biotic components is again divided into two parts. First one is producers. Producers are also called autotrophs, means they produce their own food by the process of photosynthesis. For example, plants. Second one is consumers. Consumers are also called heterotrophs, means they depend on others for their food. They are also divided into the following types. First one is primary consumers. Primary consumers are also called herbivorous. They are depend on autotrophs for their food. For example, cow, rabbit, etc. Second one is secondary consumers. It is also called a carnivorous. They use herbivorous as their food. For example, frog, owl, fox, etc. Third one is apex or top consumers. It is also called carnivorous. These consumers use herbivorous and carnivorous as their food. No other animals feed on top consumers, for example tiger, lion, etc. Fourth one is mixed consumers. Mixed consumers are also called omnivorous. They feed on herbivorous as well as carnivorous, for example humans, deer, crow, cockroach, etc. And last one is decomposers. The organism that decompose or break down dead organisms and return the nutrients to the soil are called decomposers. For example, microorganisms like fungi, bacteria, etc. Food chain, definition of food chain, interaction go on continuously between producers, consumers and saprobites. There is a definite sequence in these interactions which is called the food chain. Each food chain consists of 4, 5 or more links. For example, food chain is shown in the figure. First factor of the food chain in this figure is a producer. Producer means green plants. Green plants are produce their own food by the process of photosynthesis. In this process, the plants use raw material as a water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. These green plants are eaten by primary consumers and primary consumers are eaten by secondary consumers. Secondary consumers are eaten by tertiary consumers and tertiary consumers are eaten by apex consumers. After the death of apex consumers or any other organisms like plants, animals, their body decompose by decomposers like fungi, bacteria, and nutrients return back in soil, and again these nutrients are absorbed by the producer, and in this way the food chain energy flowing from producer to the decomposer, and in this way energy flow in an ecosystem is cyclic and unidirectional. Food web. Definition of food web: the interconnections among different food chains at different trophic levels forming a network is called a food web. In this food web, an organism may be the prey for many other organisms. For example, an insect feeds upon leaves of various plants, but the same insect is the prey for different animals like frogs, wall lizards, etc. If this is shown in a figure, it will form an intricate web instead of a linear food chain. As shown in the figure food web, there is a interconnections among different food chains at different trophic levels. In the food web, number of consumers are not fixed. Balance or equilibrium is necessary in food web. In the food web, there is no definite sequence between primary consumer and secondary consumers. For example, rat. Rat is eaten by the python. At the same time, rat is eaten by eagle, and rat is also eaten by wolf.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल, सदैव आपल्यासोबत रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल. नेहमी पाहत रहा, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.